Admission open for Astrology Course by Dr. Vedic Astro. 0 to Hero Jyotish Course. Foundation of Vedic Jyotish 2 months program. Here's a detailed outline for a 2-month Vedic Astrology course. This course will be structured to ensure learners gain a strong foundation in Vedic astrology and understand essential techniques to analyze horoscopes. Jyotish Course. Designed for beginners to those with limited experience, it covers the essential elements required to read and interpret horoscopes, focusing on real-world applications. Duration. Classes, 1.5 hours per class. 2 months, 8 weeks. Introduction to Vedic Astrology Principles. Detailed study of the 12 houses, 9 planets, 12 zodiac signs, and 27 nakshatras. Understanding planetary aspects, conjunctions, and transits. Practical exercises for chart interpretation. Tips for analyzing real-life scenarios. Module 1, Fundamentals of Vedic Astrology, Week 1 to 2. Introduction to Vedic Astrology. Difference between Vedic and Western astrology. Basics of the sidereal zodiac and nakshatras. Understanding the birth chart. Structure of a Kundali birth chart. Houses, signs, and planets in a chart. The 12 zodiac signs, Rashis. Characteristics and elements, fire, earth, air, water. Natural and functional significance. The 12 houses, bhavas. Basic significance and meanings of each house. Connection with life events and personality traits. Module 2, Planets and their role, Week 3 to 4. The 9 planets, grahas. Understanding the role of Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. Positive and negative impacts of each planet. Relationships between planets. Benefic and malefic planets. Friendly, neutral, and enemy planetary relationships. Aspects, drishti. How planets influence each other's houses. Understanding planetary aspects and influence. Understanding nakshatras. Introduction to the 27 nakshatras and their unique characteristics. Nakshatra lords and their impact on personality and events. Module 3, Reading a Birth Chart, Week 5 to 6. Planetary placement in houses. Understanding the influence of planets in different houses. How planetary position impacts various life aspects. Conjunctions and combustions. Effects of planets placed together in the same house. Understanding combust planets and their significance. Planetary strengths, Bala. Introduction to planetary strengths. Exaltation, debilitation, and directional strengths. Transits, Gochar. Basic principles of transits. How to interpret the impact of a planet moving through signs. Module 4, Practical Chart Interpretation, Week 7 to 8. Basic Chart Interpretation Techniques. Analyzing Rashi, Bhava, and Navansa charts. Applying rules to assess major life events, career, marriage, health. Common yogas in Vedic astrology. Understanding Dhana Yoga, Raj Yoga, Gajkesari Yoga, etc. Importance of yogas and their impact on a person's life. Analyzing career and relationships. Techniques to interpret career paths. Assessing marriage and relationship compatibility. Practice sessions and Q&A. Practice with example charts. Live Q&A to clarify doubts. Resources provided. Course ebook and chart templates. Weekly assignments and exercises. Lifetime access to recorded sessions, if available. Certification. Upon successful completion of the course, participants will receive a certificate of completion. Contact information for enrollment. Call WhatsApp 8687882999. Channel Dr. Vedic Astro.